Okay, today I'm going to show you a little bit on how to hook up the 54 LED lights. These come from eBay. The ones I got was red and white. It's a fairly simple hookup. It can be kind of a mess, as you can kind of see, depending on the vehicle. Right here would probably be about the best area for these on mine. They're mounted to the dash. Putting them up high along the headliner, there's tint that comes halfway down my windshield to about right here, which makes them almost impossible to see even in the dark. So what I've done is I took and put 2 red and 2 white in the front, and then along the back window I got a red one and a white one back there as well. Preferably, if you got a way to do it inside your vehicle with a cigarette lighter plug or something, be the easiest way to run your electric. It's just simple, basic red and black wire. Just so happen I have a mobile radio in my vehicle, so I just took it to its power source to go straight to the battery. Made it real simple. The lights themselves, they're real simple to hook up. They all come with about 6 to 8 foot of extension cable, which in this small vehicle I didn't think I'd need, but I actually do, because the wires come off the back of the lights itself. It just ain't big enough and long enough to do nothing with. And then the cables that come off the back of the box ain't long enough to hook straight over to the light bar. So, but on this one here, I know most of the boxes you see have the little red LED light on it. As you see, this one don't. It does have the on and off switch, the ABC for the different light patterns, and I'm going to show them to you now. So I'm going to go ahead and flip the box on, and we'll go out here, and depending on how you get your wires hooked up to different types of flash patterns you can get. The way I decided to have mine, I decided red on one side, white on the other, flashing the way it is. And then on the back, get back here real quick, and you see the 2 in the back. Now that one was A. We'll go in here to B. The same flash pattern in a way. It's a lot slower. The first flash pattern, it's 8 red, 8 white, then it alternates. This one here's a little bit different. It's just 1 and 1. It flashes back and forth, same on the back. And then we'll go up here and hit C. And the C, all of them flash at one time. This pattern right here would be something I would probably use for if I had my vehicle out maybe doing traffic or something. Be about the best way. One thing I found to be useful when you do hook up your lights is if you have them on a certain pattern, like I have mine, if you have them wanting to flash a certain way, I took my cables and I marked them with the letter that way there. Once you come outside from inside or whatever, you go to hook everything up, you know what wire goes to what switch on the back, and you ain't sitting there taking up a bunch of extra time trying to figure out what type of or what spots your wires go into. Now with this, it did come with all the screws and the brackets. Now the screws they sent I didn't like, I used my own, but the brackets they sent look like this right here. And what these do, and as many of y'all probably seen, they're made to hold the wire up. Which with these headliners like this, it's real hard because they were made out of old cardboard type stuff in these older vehicles. And the screws they send, if I can get one out of here. Well, let's see. Let's see if I can get it out of here. I'm having a hard time getting it out of where I got it. But I got all them brackets and stuff in there. I'm trying to get this out. Like I said, these lights, they were $17 and something on eBay. You can also get them on Amazon. They got a couple different dealers and stuff. But I mean, overall, they're not bad little lights. They do get fairly bright at night. This right here is the type of screw they send you to, let me set it right here so you can get a better look, to mount into wherever you want to mount it in your vehicle, and plus to put your box down. As you see, in my box, I've only got one screw. It's a different type of screw. I had to get some screws with a point end on it to get to go down into the dash. I gotta get another screw put in that one to finish it off. Like I said, as you see, all in all, they're good little lights. They're fairly bright, and they work. Stay tuned with me within probably about another week and a half at the most. I'll be writing a video. I'll have a I think it's called a CJB 200 watt siren that come off of eBay that I will be installing, posting a how-to video on that, which is going to be an interesting little video in its own, due to having to mount the speaker in certain places and whatnot. But if you have any questions about these lights, just feel free to comment. I can answer pretty much any question you have concerning getting these lights mounted for you. So I'd like to thank you for watching and hope you enjoy your lights.